Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicwave.com, making this a small video about a weekly recap for the trades taken last week. So let's get it started. Week started on the 10th December, right? And this is the first trade, pound USD 20-minute chart from here to here, 160 pip. Why? Because something happened on the weekend and over the weekend about the Brexit, and pound got hurt real bad. So I took this one and pound CAD, same time almost, and 120 pip drop. And another pound pair was pound Aussie, right from here all the way down 190 pip. This went down so much because not only pound was getting weaker, but Aussie was also getting stronger. And you can see it's a couple of orders here, and 190 pip traveling here, 2 times 190, count the pippage. Then on the 11th, pound was retracing. I missed the drop in pound Newsy, so I took this long here for 95 pip going up, pound Newsy, when pound start retracing. And on the 11, Euro Aussie right here, Euro Aussie, because the Aussie start getting strong again, and Euro Aussie drop, second order, this one also from the other account. And also pound Aussie, because of, like I said, Aussie was start getting strong and then sending these pair to the downside. Another one on the 11th was Euro Aussie, sorry, Euro USD. This one was a short here, and then this is the one, another one I have coming. Pound CAD short here, pound Newsy, this was the long I just showed you, right? And then it dropped. I missed again, not missed, but I didn't take it, right? You can only do so much. And then I took this one, and then pound yen sell all the way from the top. Here Euro Aussie again, remember I just showed you this one, and then it retraced again, start dropping, gave me a beautiful entry here and drop. And Aussie USD from here drop. This is, where this low here, exactly from that place, reversal candle, and you don't want to miss something like that. And here again, very simple trade, short. There was a short here before, and now this one. Okay, and on the 14th, again one more Euro Aussie, it went up, retrace, and then drop again. Remember I showed you this one and this one. Now it went up again and shorted again. Okay, so these are the trades. Let me just show you now how I do Euro Aussie, pound Aussie, for example. I'm doing because of the Aussie index, and let me just quickly show you that how I am tracking this Aussie index, and why I'm taking these trades. So first of all, see, this is the chart I made on the 26th October. I've been tracking all along, but just let me show you from this far back. So I'm supposed to go up here, and in doing that, Aussie will be getting strong and sending Euro Aussie and pound Aussie to the downside. So I was shorting. But once we got there on the 2nd December, you see it's showing that I said, okay, we're gonna drop now. All right, and then what will happen is that Euro Aussie, pound Aussie, they will go up. Okay, so I took a couple of pound Aussie trades, not the euro, but I'll show you. So see, it's this chart I made on 2nd December, and look, pound Aussie on the 5th. This is the entry here, and 140 pip, boom. Even though it was this was a good entry, this was a good entry, this was a good entry, but I kind of missed those entries. And then on the 4th, all of this activity was on the 4th, and here is on the 5th. It went up, but it's not enough. It went up more. See, this was my 140 pip trade, retrace a little bit, and then 230 pip again. So that's the beauty of following the index. Okay, so when index was getting weaker, this thing will start to go up. And when that happened, the drop, then I made the chart that, okay, this is the drop on a 33-minute chart. This was the drop, right? On the weekly chart, you saw just the weekly chart. little drop there was this one. So after this, I made a chart that is okay. This is the harmonic, not harmonic. Earlier we have count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 A. Then I said we're gonna go up for B and then drop for C. So we're gonna be bouncing from into this area, maybe right from here, 45.89. You can see the yellow mark here. Then look what happened. It bounced exactly from there, 45.89. So now, if it is going up, what did I say? EA and GA will go down, right? So did I take any short in after 11th December? Let me go back and see. After 11th, I took this one on 11th, the same time, right? This is the short because of that chart. Another one, the next entry. This is the one on the 11th. I went down, and on the 10th, because of that chart, because Aussie was getting strong, we see this one on the 10th December. Big trade, 190 pip. This was because of that chart. Okay, so this is the reason. I mean, everything is because of the reason. It's not fluke, and this indicator is not just like, you know, buy and sell with the color change. No, the whole system is in place. Weekly charts, levels, this and that, and a little bit of calculation, you know. So I'm gonna make a new chart, new video about this Magic IB system as well, explaining it how it works in detail, and post that one as well. So this is it for now. All these trades and so many pippage, you can see you can trade as well the same way. You just have to, you know, a little bit of work, right? A little bit of learning. You know, learning how to read these candles, these charts, and the index, how to use the index. The beauty is that Aussie index, when it's moving, for example, Aussie index getting strong means Euro-Aussie and Pound Aussie will drop, but all the other Aussie pairs like Aussie-USD, wherever Aussie is on the left hand side, they will be going up. Aussie-USD, Aussie Yen, Aussie CAD, Aussie Franc, they all will be going up where Aussie is on the left hand side. Right, so you have several opportunities at the same time watching the index. So this is the beauty of the system and the technique. So this is it for now. If you like the video, don't hesitate to press the like button. Okay, and I'm gonna make the next video. I'm gonna make the how Magic IB system, the whole system. I will be explaining that. So that it will be very easy for the newcomers before they sign up. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a very good rest of the weekend, which is Sunday. Saturday is already gone.